Then now law number 7. Law number 7, that is a power minus m, when we write in the denominator it will be of a power plus m. Similarly, here a power plus m, here exponent is of positive, when it is written in the denominator, so it will be of a to the power of plus m becomes here minus m. So here these are the two cases under the law number 7. The first case is of a power minus m is equals to a power plus m, and the next one is of a power plus m is equals to a power minus m. So under this law, that is law number 7, a power minus m equals to 1 by a power plus m, or a power plus m is equals to 1 by a power minus m. Let us perform one example. Simplify. Five to the power of minus 7. So here 5 to the power of minus 7 can be written as, then the solution starts now. 5 to the power of minus 7 is equals to 1 by 5 to the power of minus 7 becomes plus 7. So here I have utilized the identity or the law. So a to the power of minus m, when it is written in the denominator, so a to the power of minus m will become the plus m. So based upon this reason, I wrote 1 by 5 to the power of 7. So here this can also be written as, so 5 to the power of 7, that is minus 7, is equals to, so I got it as 1 by 5 to the power of 7, then it can also be written as 1. So here 1 to the power of 7, but 1 raised to the power of anything will be equals to 1 itself, divided by 5 raised to the power of 7. I cannot say here them, so exponents are of same, so I can write it as 1 by 5, but overall raised to the power of, so here the exponents are same, I can write it as 7. So in this manner, so here I got, therefore 5 to the power of minus 7 as 1 by 5 overall to the power of 7. So this is the resultant. Then let us write this as the one more simplification under this same example. Simplify. Five by 7 whole to the power of 3. Now the solution starts now. 5 by 7 whole to the power of 3 can be written as 1 divided by, so 3 is off, the exponent is of positive here. When I write them in this base whole to the power of 3 in the denominator, so it becomes 5 by 7 whole to the power of plus 3 becomes minus 3 in the denominator. So I have utilized the reason here, that is, since a to the power of m, that is plus m, when it is written in the denominator it becomes a to the power of plus m becomes minus m in the denominator. So here this is of plus 3, in the denominator it became what I say a minus 3. I have utilized this formula, this identity, this law, a to the power of plus m in the denominator as a to the power of minus m. 1 divided by a to the power of minus m. So here that equals to 1 divided by, this minus 3 is applicable for both numerator and as well as denominator. So writing separately, 5 to the power of minus 3 overall divided by 7 to the power of minus 3. But it is in the form of a divided by b by c, it can be written as, so 1 into, instead of division symbol, so I wrote as into here, then I have to write its reciprocal. So reciprocal of 5 power minus 3 divided by 7 power minus 3 becomes 7 power minus 3, it will come in the numerator place, and the denominator will be 5 power minus 3. Then that equals to 1 into 7 power minus 3 is nothing but 7 to the power of minus 3 overall divided by 5 to the power of minus 3. For both the cases, numerator and denominator, the exponent is same, that is minus 3 and minus 3. I can write it as 7 by 5 whole to the power of only just minus 3. So, in this manner I got. So, therefore, this 5 by 7 whole cube, 5 by 7 whole cube can be written as 7 by 5. So, I have interchanged this as a 5 by 7 as 7 by 5, then plus 3 will become here minus 3. So, this is the resultant. So, here law number 7, then now law number 8. Under law number 8, if x to the power of n is equals to a, then in order to remove this n, so x is equals to, I have to write the nth root for the next, right hand side. So, here n is the exponent of the left hand side, that is x to the power of x raised to the power of n, x repeatedly multiplied n number of times. So, here when I cancel this n on the left hand side, I have to find out the nth root. So, here same root of the right hand side. Or in other words, it can also be expressed as a to the power of, when nth root is removed, I can write it as 1 by n. So, in this manner I say here I got, therefore, so here x is equals to a to the power of 1 by n. So, if x to the power of n is equals to a, then x will be equals to a to the power of 1 by n. So, here hence, if x to the power of n is equals to a, then x will be equals to a to the power of 1 by n. Then now let us perform one of the example under this. If x square is equals to 16, find x. Then now the solution starts now. So, here as per problem, x square is equals to 16 is given for us. Then we have to find out the value of x. So, here in order to find out the value of x, so here x is equals to, so here 16 to the power of, so when 2 is removed, when n is removed, I have to write it as 1 by n. So, here when 2 is removed here, I have to write as here 1 by 2. Then now here I have utilized the formula, if x to the power of n is equals to a, then x is equals to a to the power of 1 by n or the nth root of a. So, now that is equals to, so here x is equals to 16 can be written as, so here 16 can be written as 2 8s, so 2 4s and here 2 2s, that is 16 can be written as 1 2 3 4, 2 raised to the power of 4 as our rough work. According to rough work, 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 4. So, here instead of 16 I can write it as 2 raised to the power of 4, but whole to the power of 1 by 2 is there. So, now, so x is equals to 2 raised to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 2 is in the form of a to the power of m whole to the power of n type, then x is equals to, so here a to the power of m into n, that is 4 into 1 by 2. So, here 4 bracket indicates into 1 by 2. Say here I have utilized, since a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. So, now denominator 2 1s and numerator 2 2s will get cancels, then now x is equals to 2 to the power of 2 1s is of 2, then now x is equals to 2 raised to the power of 2, 2 is repeatedly multiplied 2 times, that is 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So, in this manner I say here I got, so therefore, x value is of 4.